And here explaining the same thing, that why immune complexes are deposited in the kidney or in the blood vessels or in the synovia because of the increased pressure and negative charge of the basement memory. Now, what are the conditions? If it is deposited locally, it will result in arthus reaction, which is local vasculitis. And if it is deposited systemically, the disease is called as SLE, systemic lupus erythematosus, and also exogenous antigens can cause serum sickness. You know, before the antibodies used to be made in the horses. So, for example, diphtheria toxin given to the horse, antibodies prepared in them, and then you take these antibodies out, and when the patients are infected with diphtheria, you give them those antibodies. Those antibodies used to cause them sickness. You know, the serum from the horse used to cause the sickness. That's why it is called as serum sickness. And the result is you're giving them extra antibodies, and there are antibodies in the body as well. They find each other, make complexes, and those immune complexes are deposited in the joints, vessels, kidneys, and all the features of the immune complexes are seen here. Now, this is just an example of SLE patient. This is the typical butterfly rash which is seen on the nose and the cheeks, and it is called as lupus rash. Okay, why it is called as lupus rash? Because you know, the lupus word means wolf, so it resembles the wolf, you know, features. That's why it was called as lupus rash. And what happens in this? The proposed hypothesis is that there are certain apoptotic blebs produced in the patient which has got nuclear material. That nuclear material is recognized by the antibody. Basically, class switching takes place, IgG antibodies are produced, those IgG antibodies bind to these apoptotic blebs, and immune complexes will activate complement system, neutrophils will be called, and damage takes place. Mainly they cause damage to the joints, and the skin becomes sensitive. And this is also the example of serum sickness, of arthus reaction. What are other clinical conditions of type 3 reactions? Arthritis. Arthritis is mainly Th1 mediated disease or Th17 mediated. It's just repeating that is serum sickness. You can go through the summary by yourself. If you have any questions,
محاضرة اليوم جميلة.